Welcome autumn to your home with cozy fall accents for your front door and porch. The front door is the first thing your guests see, so make it warm and inviting all year long. Start by arranging larger pieces to create your overall design. Then fill in with smaller accents that can be changed with the seasons. When it's time for an autumn update, you can easily incorporate seasonal styles by making small changes. Swapping out your wreath is a tried and true way to refresh your front door for fall. You can also replace your everyday florals with fall picks in warm, earthy tones. And layer your welcome mat over a patterned rug for some extra seasonal charm. For some serious curb appeal, think beyond the front door. Arrange decor along the porch steps and around your seating area to achieve a full-scale transformation. Play around with different materials, textures, and sizes to breathe new life into a classic pumpkin display. Paired with vibrant fall mums, an array of colors is key to creating a look with depth. To create a comfy, welcoming space for relaxing, add fall pillows and throws to your outdoor seating area. Whether you're entertaining friends, celebrating with the family, or just enjoying the crisp fall air, these decorating ideas will help you create an autumn retreat where you can make memories all season long. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.